Hello everyone, welcome to my HTML tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of HTML. Before entering into the tutorial, we will learn or we will see why we want to learn HTML and CSS. Because regardless of what your profession is, HTML and CSS are great skills to have. And even a little knowledge of these languages can make a big difference in your career. I will tell you a few reasons to consider why you need to know about web pages and HTML. First, you will understand how the entire web page works. Knowing the basics of HTML and CSS and how they are used to create web pages is a skill that will always be useful. They are helpful tools for designers, marketing specialists, academicians, and many other professionals. Almost everyone today uses HTML. And next is you can create your own website. Today website is a very important tool in today's world, and today's business operate through online. Every transaction you make is online, so HTML is very much useful to create your website. Next is you can build your own professional resume site. If you're a person who wants to be hired by someone, if you're looking for employment, building your online resume is a very good idea because you can showcase your talent to your employer, and you can showcase in a very creative way. And when you are an academician, you can build your own course site. You can just go beyond Moodle, and you can build your own course site according to your own styling. You can add the capabilities of uploading your course materials and providing it to the students. Students can download the course material and use it. You can provide instruction to the students. You can connect with your students through your website. You can create an online exam, can collect the feedback from students, etc. You can do a lot more things using a website. And with this small introduction, we will enter into the tutorial of HTML. So in this entire tutorial, we'll be covering this particular subject. You can access this web page. I will leave the link of this site in the description below. We'll be covering the basics of HTML here. As you can see, by the end of this course, you'll be able to understand basic and intermediate HTML code. You can create your own HTML page, as I said before. You can write your own CSS or HTML stuff. So in the first session, we'll be having an introduction of HTML, and next we'll be going to how the HTML is structured basically. Next we'll be covering the different tags in HTML. After learning these three things, we'll be creating our own HTML page. After that, we'll go to learn what is Bootstrap and how to integrate Bootstrap into our website for styling our website. And we'll be learning how to use templates, which are free. You can download it from the internet and you can modify the template, and you can build awesome websites using the templates. Finally, we will learn how to build a personal page. It will be our final project, and by the end of this video, we'll be having a link on how to host your own personal site using a GitHub, which is a free hosting service, so that your site will be live. So let's see in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. So let's see in the next video. Until then, take care.